At titignan natin ngayon mga kaibigan ang ating score 16-15. Bakit? Ang ganda ng pag-aatake dito ni Monique Tiangco. Masasabi nating veteran regular. Tama ba yun?
Veteran regular. Regular na veteran.
Pangatlong skwelahan na niya ito.
And, baka ito na siguro yung ano niya. Mahanap na niya itong...
yung kanyang moment in the sun. Here is Di Makulangan. Shoots it across for Tunay at ang kanyang Blanca ni Nunag lumabas. So puntos yun para sa UST. Tabla na naman tayo. 16 all. Jessie De Leon to serve ngayon para sa Tigresses. Hoping to give them the lead.
Good serve.
Daet. Tiangco. Off the block. Hindi nakaabot ng si Tunay. At ganun-ganun lang. Lalamang ang Lasal. Tatabla lang. Lalamang ulit sila. And another substitution para sa kupunan ng Lasal as we have Giselle Bembo seeing her first action. Serve specialist and defensive backline specialist. Upo muna si Nunag. Bembo. Di Makulangan. Running attack na naman ni Micah Ortiz. Di Makulangan. Nakakuha na para sa UST. Tunay on the open.
Off the block. Saet goes to the middle.
Navidad cannot get it through.
Manzano.
Navidad sumubok umadlib. It did not work for Lasal.
Good coverage from Lasal, pero UST really towering over the net. Ano man, sa Micah Ortiz ang nasa harapan mo. Mahirap-hirap din palusutan yan.
Micah Ortiz listed at 5'10". She looks a lot taller than 5'10", to be honest. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Rhea Di Makulangan serving. Saet, kailangan umatake.
Good joust at the net.
At si Tunay na palusot sa dalawang defender ng Lasal. Yun at si Carmela Tunay. Alam mo, parang saan galing lahat ng power niya, no?
Kung titignan mo siya, you won't really think na kaya niyang pumalo ng ganong kalakas.
Hindi nga siya mukhang volleyball player kung tutusin.
Actually, most of these girls, pag unang tingin mo, hindi mo namang itaakalain na volleyball players sila eh.
Well, Di Makulangan is one of them, that's for sure. Aiza Maizo, nakakuha ng puntos. Outside, oh.
Konting panghihinayang there from Aiza Maizo. Konting-konti lang eh.
Again, si Aiza Maizo, of course, a former league MVP dito po sa Shakey's V-League. Monique Tiangco, serving to try to give Lasal the lead once again. Di Makulangan, running attack na naman para dito kay Micah Ortiz.
Ortiz, nagpipiesang mabuti sa running attack. She has been scoring a lot and heavily from that running hit.
Kailan ba piyesta niyo doon sa Cavite?
May.
May, malapit na.
Malapit na.
Kukumbiday mo kami doon, Ana.
Ivy
pala. Patla!
Patla ka.
Ibang klaseng piyesta pala doon sa Cavite, no? Oh! Service ace from Tunay. Eto na, umaalagwa na UST sa endgame. 2018. For the Tigresses. Balik si Yumi Yonko. Kailangan lang ng depensa doon sa likuran. Tunay once again.
So that's outside.
Good read from Yumi Yonko.
So makikita. Talagang di kita ng labanan. UST leads by 1 now. 20-19.
2019 nga. Ivy said, nice sharp serve again from Saet. Nakakuha na naman ang puto si Micah Ortiz. Parang wala yata umahara kay Micah ngayon.
So I guess yung play na ine-execute ngayon ng UST has been working kasi nabasa tong blocking ng Lasal. We have seen how solid the blocking was at the start of this match.
Yonko, Tiangco, Manzano, De Leon, Di Makulangan, Maizo. Hindi nakalusot sa net yung tira ni Aiza. Ang dami ng players na papasok para sa Lasal Dasmariñas. Our first look now at Mariel Desangaño. And Nunag will return. So Desangaño, ilan na lang hindi naglalaro para dito sa Lasal Dasmariñas.
So it just goes to show how much na kayang paikutin ng Lasal ang players in their roster and their lineup.
Of course, Coach Darwin Campana. Aiza Maizo! Power attack there. Desangaño gets to it. Yonko gives up a free ball. Ito kaya si Di Maculangan. Pumunta sa kombinasyon kay Lastimosa. Pero pumasok yung Blanca. That is a good block para kay Yari Yonko. Tabla tayo, 21. Masanganyo once again.
Good serve.
Saran.
Quick attack. Chisaet defending very well.
At si Saet all around talaga nilalaro, no? Here's Di Maculangan now.
Another good block there from Lasal.
Ang haba ng frontline ng Lasal. Haba
Aiza,
talaga.
another drop shot.
Grabe mga galaway nito, Ivy. Ito kaya si Manzano. On the redirect.
Back to Maizo. Off the block once again.
Oh, grabe,
Chisaet.
Chisaet. Here's Manzano, long rally. Di Maculangan. Going to Lastimosa. Dug up again. And Saet attacks turn one and scores.
Smart move from Chisaet. Actually, she was out of position. Ginawan lang niya ng paraan.
Saet, the veteran, gives LaSalle the lead. Timeout, UST.
Ha? Talo tayo sa mahabang ganun eh. Ang bola, pag nasa ibabaw ng net, talo tayo pag hindi kayo nagsali. Kakayaan nyo lang eh. Pinubuhi lang kayo ng malalaki yun. Kunting ganun-ganun na ginagawa nyo. Paano pa ako may
Alam niyo mga kaibigan, kamakailan lang dinalaw po kami ng isang living legend in Philippine basketball. The big difference himself, Kaloy Loizaga. Well, he has his own biography. It is out in the San Beda College campus. Doon po natin makukuha the big difference. Carlos Loizaga, the most iconic basketball player in the history of the Philippines. His biography is out now. Punta po kayo sa San Beda campus para makuha nyo yung kopya ng The Big Difference. At tignan natin sino magiging the big difference dito para sa game na to. Could it be Pam Lastimosa na naitabla na naman ang ating talaan? Eto.
Some substitutions now for UST. Lantin and Caballejo in the game.
Right. Napag-usapan natin kanina, Ivy, ito si Lauren Lantin.
Yeah.
Maganda nilarong depensa. But
Yes.
now she will be setting. And of course, alam naman natin yung exploits ni Judy Ann Caballejo.
Well, as we know, no, ang setter primary role niya talaga is to direct the plays eh.
Right. LaSalle calls a timeout ng pagpasok ni Lantin. Let's listen in on this one from Coach Darwin Campana. Ganda ng timeout na yun ni Coach Darwin Campana. Because nakita niya, nagbago ang lineup na UST. Now they have to also adjust to this
Yes.
new lineup.
That's right. And I'm sure na nakita rin ni Coach na yung nung pinasok si Lantin last time, with that game
Right.
against Ateneo,
Right.
kung ano yung naging difference of their presence inside the court.
Pati si Judy Ann Caballejo nung pinasok, that gives them more power sa harapan.
Right, and as we were saying earlier, ang setter, primary role really is to direct the plays, really making the attackers look good. But more than that, malaki din ang contribution niya sa defense.
Well, si Lantin is now setting. And they try to go to Lastimosa. UST, 3-ball, Chanko, Saet, combination, Yarionko is long.
Outside, but there's a net violation error called against UST. So ang puntos mapupunta sa Lasal.
Tinatanong ni Lastimosa, saan? Kanino? Oji Mamon. Oji Mamon ngayon, gagastos din na isa pang timeout. Let's listen in to UST.
Kasi nag-ano ka eh. Ano ka? Tawag doon? Dalawang malaki na sa... Oo, ganyan. Paano naman? Yung Dustin at Jesse. Now, iwas naman sa ano. Huwag naman pakinggan. Parang lang. Kaya iwas kayo naman sa iba. Iwas lang. Yun, konsepto ha.
Well, he's really one of my favorite coaches. Ito si Oji Mamon. Knows how to communicate with his players.
The very specific instructions, given ko ano talagang gagawin. So alam, when the players get back into the court, alam nila talaga kung ano dapat nilang i-execute.
Sabay tawa pa sila lahat. So they have to be very relaxed to be able to do that. Here's Lantin now. Lastimosa. One more time around. Caballejo, first attack. Natulak.
They go to Yonko. He's blocked. Saed, this time to Chanko, medyo over ang bola.
Kanino mapupunta yung puntos?
Last touch down from the blockers of UST.
Hindi, pero sa UST napunta yung puntos.
Second referee says no touch, so the point goes to UST.
So Chanko does not get it done. Tabla tayo, 23 all. Very close first set. Lauren Lantin, or make that Pam Lastimosa now serving. Aquiles back in the game. Monique Chanko, blocked.
Covered by Chi Saet. Chanko once again, blocked again. Lundag was there.
Kulit talaga ni Chanko, tira pa rin siya.
Drop shot.
Oh, what a play!
Side.
Tunay now gives UST set point. Nahuli si Baquiles doon. Actually, wrong-footed si Baquiles sa kanya paglapit.
Merong konting hesitation din on her part.
And now, serving for the set, Lastimosa, Manzano, Saet, Lunag, Lantin, Caballejo, Baquiles is there, Saet, Yonko just gets it through. Lantin, Tunay!
Off the block.
Come from behind win in set number 1 for UST. 25-23. Akala natin magiging maikling laban na ito because UST on paper is supposed to be the more superior team. It looks like mahaba-habang laban ito, Ivy Remulla.
Definitely, LaSalle also giving UST a hard time. But this is our shake and play. A setup here for Carmela Tunay with a little help from the blockers of LaSalle, scoring the 25th point for set number 1.